The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has finally stepped out of the rumor mill and into the real world, giving creators the first tangible glimpse of what the next-generation pocket gimbal has to offer. For months, the Osmo Pocket 4 has been the subject of intense speculation, with leaks, blurry factory images, and accidental online listings keeping content creators and tech enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. Now, thanks to a surprising hands-on sighting, we have a clear view of the device in action, and it's every bit as exciting as fans hoped. This first-hand look didn't come from a secret test facility or staged marketing material. Instead, it appeared at a DJI-authorized retailer in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, where a customer walked in with the brand-new DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Store employees at Fahrenheit 88 in Bukit Bintang were so astonished by the camera that they captured a short video on Instagram. While the post was soon removed, frames from the footage were preserved, offering an authentic, high-quality first look at the new device. For fans who have been tracking the Osmo Pocket series, this represents the first clear hands-on footage outside of prior early leaks from China. The leaked footage shows the Osmo Pocket 4 being used in a real-world environment, highlighting both design and functionality. Immediately, it's evident that DJI has refined the ergonomics and interface of the camera while maintaining the core philosophy that has defined the Pocket series. The 3-axis stabilization, a hallmark of the series, appears smoother than ever, delivering near-zero shake even in motion. For vloggers, travel creators, and anyone filming on the move, this is a huge benefit, ensuring cinematic quality footage without bulky equipment. Design-wise, the Osmo Pocket 4 retains recognizable elements that fans of the series will appreciate. The flip-out 2-inch OLED screen remains for framing shots and navigating menus, while a small joystick gives precise control over gimbal movement. Quick access buttons make one-handed operation easy, allowing creators to adjust settings without slowing down production. These familiar touches ensure that the camera is immediately usable while retaining its pocketable, travel-friendly form factor. One of the most talked about upgrades, however, is the integrated LED light. This small but powerful addition sits on the front of the camera, providing instant fill light in low-light conditions. For vloggers, this is a major improvement. No longer do creators need to attach external clip-on lights or other accessories when filming indoors or at night. Whether you're shooting a late-night street vlog, restaurant scenes, or dimly lit interiors, this integrated light greatly expands the Pocket 4's versatility while keeping it lightweight and portable. Despite the excitement over the LED, questions remain about video resolution. Many are curious if the Osmo Pocket 4 finally steps up to 6K. While official confirmation is still pending, leaked online listings, including one from Amazon Denmark, suggest that the standard model may record 4K at up to 240 frames per second. This implies that DJI is prioritizing ultra-high frame rate slow-motion capabilities over raw resolution, which aligns with the needs of vloggers and action filmmakers. The same listing hinted at a March 2026 shipping window, which aligns well with this Malaysian leak and suggests the camera is on the cusp of a global rollout. When comparing the Osmo Pocket 4 to the Pocket 3, it's clear DJI has taken an evolutionary approach. The sensor remains a 1-inch CMOS, though sources suggest it has been upgraded for better low-light performance and improved dynamic range. This means creators can expect cleaner, sharper footage even in dim lighting, which is particularly important for travel and handheld shooting. Another notable upgrade is the battery. The Pocket 3 used a 1,300 mAh battery, while the Osmo Pocket 4 reportedly includes a 1,545 mAh unit. This increase could push total filming time to over 200 minutes, a significant jump from the Pocket 3's 166 minutes. For creators who shoot for long stretches on location, this improvement is incredibly valuable. Other hardware and connectivity upgrades have also been observed. The OLED screen appears brighter, improving visibility in sunlight, and Wi-Fi 6 has been added to allow faster and more reliable file transfers to smartphones or tablets. These refinements, combined with the improved stabilization and AI tracking, make the Osmo Pocket 4 a versatile tool for all types of creators. Whether capturing fast-moving street scenes or professional YouTube content, this camera appears ready to deliver reliable, high-quality footage in nearly any environment. Autofocus has also been refined, according to the leaked footage. Subjects appear to remain sharply in focus even during fast movements, suggesting that DJI's AI tracking system is performing effectively. For solo content creators, this means less worry about losing focus on moving subjects, whether filming people, pets, or street activity. The combination of smooth gimbal stabilization, upgraded sensor performance, and the new LED light makes the Osmo Pocket 4 a complete package for creators who need a high-quality camera that can fit in a pocket. While the leak provides an incredible first look, several questions remain unanswered. Specific video resolutions, codec options, and advanced pro-level features are still unclear. Rumors suggest a potential dual-camera Pro version may launch alongside the standard Pocket 4, offering even more advanced functionality such as optical zoom or higher-resolution video. This dual-tier approach would allow DJI to cater both to casual vloggers who want simplicity and to professional creators who demand extra capabilities. Regardless, seeing the standard Osmo Pocket 4 in use confirms that DJI has refined the core experience before rolling out any pro-level variant. One reason this leak is so valuable is the real-world context. Previous leaks often came from factory floors or staged images, providing little insight into usability and ergonomics. The Malaysian footage shows the camera being handled naturally, highlighting size, grip, and interface. The integrated LED light is clearly visible in action, demonstrating its practical benefit rather than just existing as a spec on a list. The flip-out screen, joystick, and quick access buttons are all shown in practical use, emphasizing DJI's continued focus on intuitive, one-handed operation. Timing also seems to support an imminent launch. With leaked listings pointing to a March 2026 release and real-world sightings now occurring, it's reasonable to expect pre-orders or an official announcement very soon. The hands-on footage demonstrates a finished, polished product that is ready for consumers, confirming that production is underway. The Osmo Pocket 4 is clearly not just a prototype, it's a fully functioning, retail-ready device. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be a carefully considered evolution of DJI's popular Pocket Gimbal series. With upgraded stabilization, improved low-light performance, AI-powered tracking, longer battery life, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, a brighter OLED screen, and the integrated LED light, the camera is poised to become an essential tool for vloggers and creators on the move. The hands-on footage from Malaysia gives us a credible first look at these upgrades in action, confirming that the camera is ready for prime time. With production seemingly complete and real-world footage already circulating, the countdown to the official release is almost over. For creators, the Osmo Pocket 4 promises to be a highly capable, versatile, and portable camera that builds on the success of its predecessors while introducing meaningful, practical improvements. Between the integrated LED, refined gimbal stabilization, improved battery, and smarter AI tracking, this device could quickly become the go-to tool for vloggers who demand quality, portability, and ease of use.